The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, the Tapsco River including Baltimore Harbor until 8:45 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm capable of producing winds to 40 knots and small hail. This storm was located 16 nautical miles north of Key Bridge, moving northeast at 55 knots. Locations impacted include Bush River, Pools Island, Francis Scott Key Bridge, Spessady Island, Susquehanna Flats, Curtis Bay, the Tapsco River, Still Pond, Hart Miller Island, Northeast River, Elk River, Fort Smallwood State Park, Turkey Point, Hanover Street Bridge, 7-Foot Knoll, Wharton Point, Gunpowder River and Phoenix Shoal. As this thunderstorm moves over the water, boaters can expect gusty winds and high waves. Move to safe harbor or stay close to shore until the storm passes.